Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, Smart is the New Sexy will tell you what you can find inside Mercury, the closest planet to the Sun. We've already learned what's inside Earth, Saturn, and even the Sun. Let's find out more. Mercury was named after their swift-footed messenger god who was also known as Hermes in Greek mythology, because it circles the Sun faster than all the other planets. Mercury was also given separate names for its appearance as both a morning star and as an evening star. Mercury orbits so quickly around the Sun that early civilizations believed it was actually two different stars, one of which appeared in the morning and another which appeared in the evening. A year in Mercury is 88 days, yet a Mercury day is 176 Earth days. Planet shape and surface. Mercury is the smallest planet in the solar system. It's a cratered, rocky planet that closely resembles the Earth's moon. The whole surface of the planet is covered with craters of different shapes and sizes. This happens due to the fact that this planet doesn't have any real atmosphere to protect its surface. There's the Caloris Basin, a huge crater that could hold the entire state of Texas. The crater stretches about 960 miles across the planet's surface and is surrounded by a ring of mountains 1.2 miles tall. According to NASA, there's water ice on its surface in the shaded portions in the polar craters where the sun doesn't melt it. Due to its closed position to the Sun, the planet is subject to angry radioactive solar winds that destroy the thin atmosphere the planet manages to gather. Cosmic rays bombard the planet all the time. Mercury has no moons or rings because of its low gravity and lack of atmosphere. Now, because Mercury is so close to the Sun, its surface temperature can reach a scorching 840 degrees Fahrenheit. However, the planet doesn't have a real atmosphere to keep any heat. At night, temperatures can drop to negative 275 degrees Fahrenheit, thus making the temperature swing the greatest in the solar system, negative 1,100 degrees Fahrenheit. Although the temperatures are so harsh, there's no wind at all. Venus, though farther from the Sun than Mercury, actually experiences higher temperatures. The planet's so-called atmosphere contains 42% oxygen, 29% sodium, 22% hydrogen, 6% helium, and 0.5% potassium. It doesn't experience any seasons. The axis of Mercury has the smallest tilt of all the other planets, and this results in a lack of seasons on its surface. Inside the planet. Now, Mercury's surface was constantly reshaped by volcanic activity. However, the research proved that most of the volcanoes ended their activity 3.5 billion years ago. Mercury's interior is composed of three distinct layers: a crust, mantle, and core. The crust is solid and brittle. It's 70 to 190 miles thick. Now, unlike the Earth's crust, Mercury's crust has no plate tectonics, so it doesn't have plates that float above the interior of Mercury. Surrounding the core of Mercury is the mantle. Similar to Earth, this mantle consists of silicates. It only measures 300 to 450 miles thick. The tiny planet is made up of a single continental plate over a cooling iron core. As the core cools, it solidifies, reducing the planet's volume and causing it to shrink. The huge metallic core is roughly 2,200 to 2,400 miles wide, and the planet's core accounts for 42% of its volume. By measuring how radio waves bounced off of the planet, scientists were able to determine that the core is, in fact, liquid. Do you want to know more curious facts about other planets of the solar system? Write Pluto in the comments to let us know. Thumbs up if you like this video, and don't forget to subscribe for more.